finally, my silver playburn arrived. I am really excited to unbox this with you guys. And thank you so much for 100k subscriber. Without you guys, I can't reach this amount. I really appreciate your support. So now, let's see what's inside this box. This is some kind of letter from the YouTube. Oh my god! They say congratulations on your subscriber marathon. I don't know what to say. They say present to Chenda DIY for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow! Oh, they have some hole in it, maybe to hang on the wall. And recognize your team, share the recognition by loading your team to just personalize reader only. Oh. Okay, now that's all for the unboxing. We have only some letter and the silver award. And I want to thank you guys so much. Again, without you guys, I can't reach and get this award. Okay, bye bye and see you guys in my next tutorial.